Are you having trouble with your Arduino project? Don't worry, even experts can have problems. In this video, we'll talk about some common issues and how to fix them. So let's get started. First, check your wires. Make sure they are connected properly in the right places. Look for any loose connections or problems that might cause the issue. Next, check your code. Look through your code and make sure there are no errors. Make sure the code is written correctly and matches your wiring diagram. And most of the time the code is correct because I have posted it simple. Okay. But let's come to next. Another issue could be your power supply. Make sure it's giving the right amount of power supply for your project. Sometimes it happens that your components need more power than you have connected, like servo motor. Servo motor is hard to run on 3 volt, but it will easily run on 5 volt. So make sure if you are using a servo motor, use with 5 volt, not 3 volt. Also check your components. Make sure they are working properly. Test each one to make sure. Just give it power and see if it's working without the code. So next. To fix your project, you must use the serial monitor in the Arduino software. You can use this print values and fix your problems in your code. If you are using an IR sensor, and let's say you have made a project, if you put your hand in front of IR sensor and the LED turns on, but it is not working. So what's the issue? And now you must go to the serial monitor and you must code for serial print and check that what value is IR sensor giving to the Arduino. If it's all 00000, then you must configure the potentiometer. Now what is it? That is the small screw type structure over the IR sensor module, and you need to just rotate it at a place it is working. So it generally works when it points in the middle, okay? At the extreme side, then it won't work. Now if you still can't fix the issue, ask for help. Now you can text me on Instagram or comment on my YouTube video. I will surely reply to it. Here are some more tips for fixing Arduino problems. Use a breadboard to make it easier to test your circuit. If you're making a project which is using a lot of wiring, then you must use a breadboard because it makes the wiring organized and it won't be a mess. You need to check your connections properly. That's the first thing you need to check, if the wires are not loose. Make sure you use right components for your project. Next, you can use a multimeter to measure the voltage and test your problems. Like if you're thinking the voltage is not enough, then you need to use the multimeter to check it, okay? Start with a simple project and work your way up. Like it is a general problem with everyone that they want to build something big before even building a LED circuit. So you need to go step by step and then reach to that level, and now you are perfectly gonna make it. If you follow these steps and tips we talked about, you should be able to fix most of your issues with your Arduino project. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing. And if you are in search of making cool and simple project, then check these few projects right here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.